In this video, we're going to go ahead and unbox my brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra from Samsung. And I'm going to show you some of the accessories that you can add to this phone. 2 years ago, I did the same thing with my S22. And I used my favorite brand, which I called Spigen, but it's actually said Spigen or something to that effect. But this year, I have a brand new phone, which I'm going to go ahead and test out a new brand. Now, I wish that I could use Spigen, but they did not have the stuff that I wanted. So now I'm going to go with TORRAS. Let's go ahead and open up this phone and see how it is inside. Now, you need to peel these tabs off right here. Now, I have gloves on because I don't want to get the screen full of fingerprints and have to work twice as hard to clean it up when I put on the screen protector. I'm going to go ahead and lift this cover up. Look at that. Gorgeous phone. It's kind of hard to peel out of here. There you go. Gotta give it a shake. All right, look at that. It is a big difference from the S22. The square edges are definitely a thing. Now we're going to go ahead and start by putting some protection on the camera lenses since they're exposed, and now they may have already become contaminated by being outside of the box. So we need to clean this and then make sure that we apply these brand new Wiskin. And let's go ahead and open up the box. I've gone ahead and sliced it open to make it easier for the video. We're going to slip out the contents. I don't know what's in here. These videos are not sponsored or paid for by anybody but myself and my pocket. Oh, they give you a nice little card here that says thank you for purchasing their product. That's very nice. Looks like this comes in a nice, easy to install kit. Also, it comes with the things that you need to clean your lenses. Very nice. It also comes with something to pop up any type of lens covers you may already have. And let's go ahead and get this out of the way. More dust absorbers or cleaners. Some stickers. They like pandas. We're going to start with the dry wipe first. I should say, no, we're starting with the wet wipe first. This is the wet wipe. Okay, that's enough of that. Now let's go ahead with the dry wipe. Now you shouldn't really have to need to do this if you just opened up your phone, I would think. But in handling it, we may have introduced some dust that we don't want there. All right, that's very nice. Now, if just for extra effort, we can go ahead and use the dust absorber that they provided and the microfiber towel here. But that, at this point, I believe is just really extra. Very cool. Look at that. It comes in a nice little easy to install kit. And all you have to do is peel and stick. Let's go ahead and take that off. And line up. You get a good satisfying click in there. You can feel when it goes in. And you go up. And that should have installed them. There you go. They're installed. They're not in here anymore. They're on the phone itself. Look at that. And they look like they are part of the phone. That looks perfect. Next, we're going to install the TORRAS screen protector. I'm going to turn over the phone and place it right there in the middle of the screen. I'm guessing we have to take off this pre-screen protector that they put on there. Very satisfying. Now let's go ahead and open up this guy here. They give us a sticker here to activate. We don't need that now. Looks like some instruction manuals, the cleaning supplies, and the actual screen protector. So we're going to put that on the side. Here we have the screen protector. It seems like it's preloaded, and you just go ahead and pop it on there and pull. But we have to clean the screen first. This is one of the reasons we wear gloves. As you can see, even though cleaning it with the cloth isn't enough, we're going to go ahead and use the wet cloth, and then we're going to go ahead and dry cloth, clean it again, and then use the included stickers to lift anything from it. Now we're going to go ahead and clean it with the dry cloth. Make sure that we get it perfect. Now we're going to use the included sticker to pick up any residual dust. Now we're going to place this right on top there. It says top, right on the top here. It says top. So we press. Let's see if we can't do this sideways for you instead. I'm going to press and then pull. Oh, it's coming with the whole screen. Didn't do something right. Or did we? Oh no, the screen protector's on there. See how scary that was? So this is some type of protector for the screen protector. Now you can see some small bubble artifacts there. I'll go ahead and see if we can't get those out. Now for the piece of resistance, the UPro case with stand and magnetic holders so that you can use some of those magnetic battery packs on an Android, because they usually work better on Apple devices than they do on some of these Samsungs. This is also from TORRAS, and we can go ahead and open this up so that you can see it. Now again, I've always used Spigen or Spigen, or however you want to say it. I've always used them, and they have been an excellent case. I'm almost scared to try somebody new, but I took a chance on this brand. And I took that chance mainly because of this magnetic holder. I love the idea of this holder supposedly popping out and allowing your phone to stand. I love that, and it snaps well. You can go ahead and pop him in and see if it pops out that screen protector. Have you ever had that screen protector pop out after you put a case on? Go ahead and pop that comment in the comments section of this video and let me know if that's happened to you. But there you go. This is my new setup, and I can now go ahead and have a stand like that. And this is supposed to be a strong magnet. I'm going to show you why I really wanted this. This is the Anker 622, and the Anker 622 should be able to go right here. Look at that. This is what I've been missing on my Android. I've been wanting that for a while. And it could just be the case. It doesn't mean that it was the Android itself. The S22 potentially could have done this by itself, but I tried it without the case, and it didn't do a good job. This case seems to be grabbing this perfectly. It's charging, as you can see. And look at that. It grabs it perfectly. This is the reason why I wanted this case. So TORRAS, this looks excellent. Now, the only thing that's left is to give this a long-term test. I'm telling you right now that if you go back about 2 years or a year and a half and look at my video on my S22 with the Spigen armored case and the screen protector, my phone ended up perfect. Till this day, it looks exactly how it came out. And I've used my phone while I'm doing videos under cars, construction. It has been through some of the worst troubles, and that Spigen case and screen protector have saved it. I'm only hoping that this TORRAS set with the Spigen covers for the lenses has the same level of protection. I hope you like this video. Go ahead and leave me some comments in the comment section. And if you like this video and you like some of the other content regarding tools, tech, DIY, go ahead and subscribe.